Monday, and that can only mean one thing. It's Monday Show and Tell Day again. Today's topic is a great one, and I knew as soon as I read it what I was going to talk about. Today's topic, for those that didn't see the post or may have missed it, it is what traditional technique that you do that you would never change, that you wouldn't do any other way. And for me, that is binding. I do everything else I can find a shortcut for, I will. And basically, I do hunt for shortcuts because I'm very time poor with doing everything on YouTube and also quilting for people, which I've been doing today. And I almost forgot about show and tell. So I'm always doing stuff for other people. So whether it be teaching, quilting, YouTubing, organising sewing retreats or classes or anything like that, basically I try to find a shortcut to do it. I do teach traditional methods on how to do things because I think it is very key that you start off knowing how to do it, and then if you want to find a shortcut, by all means. But the one thing that I have never been able to get a grasp of and really don't like doing is binding by machine. It is my pet peeve, you might say, that I just cannot stand it. I appreciate a really good machine bound quilt, and I think that's fabulous, but for me, I always like to hand stitch it to the back with an invisible stitch and have my corners mitered and not see the stitching from where I have sewn it on with on the front. So I have the raw edges matching on the front of the quilt, and then I roll it over, and then I do like a blind hem stitch to fasten that down, and I add my labels by hand as well. So that is the one thing that I would never change. I have tried to do them by machine to see if I can get the hang of it, so to speak, but I can't, and it just doesn't sit right with me. It just feels wrong. It's like I shouldn't be doing it. So that's what I would never change. Everything else, I'm up for doing it quick and finding a quick way. Although sometimes when I want to slow down, I will do the traditional way of cutting every individual piece and piecing it together. And that's what we've been doing a lot of in our block of the month. So you know what the drill is for Monday Show and Tell. I put the video up. You comment in the comments down below. If you're seeing this on our YouTube channel, please feel free to comment in the comments, and I'll also share this over to my blog, and that way you can have a comment there. The more the merrier. I love seeing what you've got to say. So comment underneath this video, and if you like it, give us a thumbs up if you're on YouTube or on Facebook. We always like to see those thumbs ups, smiley hearts, or whatever you want to give us. And if you're new to our channel, please consider subscribing. We do this every Monday, and it's a great fun way to get to know each other. If you haven't joined our Facebook group yet, if you found this on our YouTube channel, hit the link in the description down below, and that'll scoot you on over, and one of the moderators or myself will actually approve your arrival to the group, and then you'll be able to participate every Monday. So that's it for me today, and I can't wait to see all your responses and see you all again next week. Have a great day, everybody, and I'll talk to you soon.